Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on back and abs at the same time. I've got 8 exercises picked out. We're going to be doing each exercise in circuit style, so 60 seconds or 45 seconds. Check out the screen and follow along. We're going to do this routine twice. So it's going to be 8 different exercises back to back and then 60-second break. And then 8 different exercises back to back, 2 circuits, same exercises. Before we get started, don't forget the November calendar is in the description box down below. Check it out there. Let's get into this. All right, guys, starting off, we're gonna be doing V-sit bicycles. Starting just like this. Hands are up here, body's nice and balanced. You wanna tighten your core up. We're gonna go from here to here, just like this. Boom, 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 boom. Keep your back nice and flat. You want to engage your back and your core at the same time. We're going to be doing this for 60 seconds. Let me get the timer. No breaks in between these exercises. We're going 8 back to back and then break. Let's get started. Great job. Moving into, we're gonna move into bird dogs, you guys. 60 seconds here. So this is the exercise. Boom, like this, and hit a crunch. Boom, like this, and hit a crunch. Just like that. 60 seconds. Good job. Go ahead, we're gonna come down onto the mat for plank side dip. So just like this, dip and dip, and dip and dip. 60 seconds here. Great job. For this next exercise, we're doing reverse plank leg raises. So just like this in the reverse plank position, kick up and down, up and down. We've got 60 seconds here.
I do remember we were running still, had the whole world at our feet. Watching seasons change, our roads were lined with adventure, mountains in the way, couldn't keep us from the sea. Here we stand.
Next, we're gonna be doing reverse crunches totally. So just like this, up off the ground, and back here, up off the ground, and back here. Don't let your legs drop any lower than that. Keep the tension on the core. Also, keep your back engaged, your lower back. 45 seconds here. Good job. Go ahead and lie on your stomach. We're going to be doing back extensions. So this is all lower back here. This position, hands are back, feet are down. We're going to be basically crunching our lower back right here, just like this. Boom, boom. 45 seconds here, guys. Let's get started. Try to lift your trunk as high as you can off the floor while keeping your feet, toes on the ground. Great job. Coming up next, we're going to be doing boat twists. All right, so for this exercise, let me show you the workout real quick before I start the timer. Hands come out like this, feet come up like this, and we're going to twist and back and twist. Keep your core nice and tight, back is straight and balanced. 45 seconds here, let's get it. Great job. Come down onto your mat. We're gonna do 1 minute plank and then 60-second break. Back is nice and straight, core is engaged. Arms are not crossed, they're just shoulder width apart. Keep your core nice and tight, flex that core.
Don't see myself inside. Why can't I get it right? I don't know. You always watching me fall. Shadows that light my wall. Why do I feel so small? I don't know. So I walk into the dead of night. Turn my monsters like to hide. They are so good inside. I don't know.
Almost there, guys. 3, 2, 1. Down. 60-second break. And then for the next routine of 8, I'm not going to be talking. It is so hard to talk and work out at the same time. Like, I'm trying to catch my breath to speak. You guys know the routine now. We're going to do the same thing one more time and we're done for the day, all right? So enjoy this break.
You're watching me, but
slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not